Good morning, children. Hope in this typical situation you all are healthy and safe at your home. Okay? Very soon we all are going to meet once again and explore so many new things in our classroom. Okay, children? So, children, today we are going to discuss fourth lesson of our EVS book. Here, this is your EVS book, Green World. So let's open your EVS book, page number 15. Page number 15. And the topic is my likes, dislikes and hobbies. So let's write down the topic on the board. Here I am writing lesson 4. My likes, dislikes and hobbies. Okay, children? So, today the topic which we are going to discuss is about our likes, dislikes and hobbies. So before starting this chapter, so children, I am going to present one chart before you. You have to recognize this and tell me what is this. Okay, this is a chart. So can you tell me what is this, children? Let's have a look. Yes, tell me. This is a happy face. You can call it a smiley, isn't it? So it shows us what? Happy feeling, isn't it? So can you tell me, children, when do you feel happy? A happy face. When do you feel happy? When you get something which you like the most, isn't it? So here we get the word likes. So let's write down the word likes. Here we are writing likes. So here in a book it is written, we do different activities at different times of the day. We eat, read, play, sleep, go to school and do many more things. We like to do things that make us happy. That means we are doing so many things in a day, isn't it? Like we have read this, we are doing our reading, our writing, playing, so many other things also. Okay, and among this, you are liking some things the most which makes you happy. Liking means it shows your happiness. That means you like to do that things or you like to eat that things which makes you happy. Okay? So, happy means what? Means the things which you like to do the most. Okay? That means happy the things which we like to do or which we love to do. Okay, children? So here we can express our liking. We can express our liking or likes through some words like love, like, adore. I can give some example like if you like to eat banana. I know you like to eat banana. Yes or no? Okay. You can express your liking through the word love, like I love to eat banana. Okay, children. So here you are expressing your liking through the word love. You love to eat banana. Likewise, you can write down another example. We can write down another example like I like to watch TV or cartoon. Okay. So here the word like shows our likes or liking. Okay. I like to watch TV. Likewise, we can use the word adore. I adore you, mom. I adore you, mom. That means I love you, mom. So, through these words, we can express our liking or likes. And likes means the things which makes us happy. The things which makes us happy. Okay. Now children, you can write down here some example of your likes. Like you can write down to eat banana. Eat banana. If you like to eat banana, you can write down banana. Or you can write down your favorite food which you like the most. Then watch TV or cartoon. Then play outdoor games. Play outdoor games. Or you can write down your game's name also, like playing cricket or play cricket. If you like to play cricket, you can also write down playing badminton, play badminton. Okay. So, and go to park. I know you all like to go to park and play over there. Yes or no? Yes. So, there are so many other things which you can write down here. Okay, as an example. So, children, let me tell you one thing. If you like to eat banana, that doesn't mean that your friends also like the same. Okay, that means likes differ person to person. Okay, maybe your friend like to eat potato. Okay, your friend may like to eat potato. Meanwhile, you like to eat carrot, isn't it? Likewise, you like the vegetable tomato, while your friend likes to eat lady's finger. So that means our liking are differ. The things which you like the most, maybe your friends like the another things. Okay. So let's show you one more thing. Here I have another chart to show you, children. You have to recognize this and tell me what is this. Okay. Here it is. What is this? Tell me, children. Yes. This is a sad face. Or you can tell Mr. Unhappy. Isn't it? Mr. Unhappy. Now you have to tell me which thing makes you unhappy, or when do we feel sad? That means sad, the things you don't like to do or the things which you don't like to eat, that makes you unhappy or sad. That means you dislike those things, isn't it? So here we get another word like dislikes. What, children? Dislikes. Okay? Dislikes means the thing which makes us unhappy or sad. That means we don't like to do that things, or we don't like to eat that things which we don't like. Okay? So, it makes us sad. Like, you maybe don't like to eat chili, isn't it? Like, your friend doesn't like to eat bitter gourd, isn't it? So, your disliking also differ from person to person. Our disliking also differ from person to person. So, dislikes, like, you can write down so many things as an example, like telling lies, fighting with others, eating bitter gourd, or chili, you can write down. So many other things are also there which you don't like to do. That shows your dislikes. There are some words also you have to learn which shows your disliking, like hate, don't like. Okay? Hate, don't like. I can give you some example here. You can write down. I hate to fight with others. Fight with others. Okay, children? Here, the word hate shows your dislikes. Okay? About what? To fight with others. Likewise, you can write down, I don't like to tell lie. So here, don't like means it shows your dislikes. It shows your dislikes. Means you don't like to tell lie. Telling lie is not good. You know very well. So here it is written, I don't like to tell lie. That means here the word don't like and hate express our dislikes. Okay. So our disliking and liking means likes and dislikes are different from one another. Okay, children?